Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out. Alright, let's draw this week's channel shout out. Let's do a little pre-mix. Just luck of the draw, folks. Let's see who it is. This week's gonna be oh, that's Nikki St. Laurent, but she changed her channel name to Southern Patriot. And I do have her sticker. Just scanning my board for it. So I believe her sticker is right here. It's just a smaller one. The next, the Judy Spirit, Plain Old Chuck. Michael Bruner, BC Gerbs, Mid Tennessee Outdoors, another sticker from him. The Late Arabin Outdoors, miss you, brother. Nice. Alright, well there we go. This week's channel shout out. All their links will be down in the description below. Knock on wood that they actually work. I don't know, sometimes they don't work, but I get the direct link right off the top address bar, and I put it right in the description. So if it doesn't work, there'll still be an end card. Hopefully that will work. And as always, I do thank you for watching, and I also I take a moment to salute our fine servicemen and women from our recruits clear to our veterans, and also 22 a day. 22 of our veterans take their lives. Should be 0. 22 a day, no more. I also like to throw in a special thanks to our EMT and first responders saving lives out there every day. I think they deserve something, some recognition as well. And with that, have a great week, and we'll catch you in the next one.